What's up guys, Jeff Ong here and welcome to another video. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna unbox the Jordan 1 Neutral Grey. But first, I'm gonna claim the pair sa my Jordan Manila kasi nanala tayo sa raffle. And my fit for today will be, I'm gonna use this, the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. And if hindi nyo pa na-watch yung vlog ko about the Jordan 1 Travis Scott, I'm gonna put the link down below. And we are gonna meet someone at Uptown later because I'm flipping my Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. Ito, this one, and super good condition pa siya. This is size 10.5. This is my first Jordan pair. Got this for around 9,000. And before kasi yun ng last dance, kaya feel ko medyo baba pa yung price. But for now, it goes for around, brand new goes for around 18 to 20,000 na. Kaya yun, super good investment. But I had to let this go because I got this pair. Medyo price siya pero super worth it. I mean, if you see this in person, sobrang ganda talaga niya. And yeah, I think worth it naman yung switch. Today is February 20, day after my birthday. Burrito, say hi. Ayan. Yeah, this is the pair that I'm gonna flip. Then shout out to the 9's PH. I got the L House polo shirt. Meron akong yellow neto before, if you think you've seen it sa IG post ko before. And I got a Shadow Hail hoodie. Sobrang ganda ng fabric. It is fleece. Medyo mainit pero I mean, I've tried it and ang ganda ng bagsak niya sa katawan. Kaya yun, Shadow Hill and L House clothing. Time to unds these pairs. So yun, outfit check. So I'm wearing the Shadow Hill hoodie that is from the 9's. Yun nga, I mentioned that earlier. Then this Uniqlo trouser. But hindi pa ako masyadong sure about this kasi medyo mahaba to. And syempre, new sneakers, so I'm gonna flex this. So tingnan natin kung okay yung fit nitong trousers with these sneakers. So here's my outfit: Shadow Heel, Uniqlo, and the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. And I think okay na tong pants to kasi it's ankle pants pala. I thought siya yung wide leg na mahaba and no cover to. Sayang naman diba? Pero ayun, I mean ankle pants naman siya kaya mag-show naman siya. And I'll show you the final fit later. Outfit check. What are you wearing, baby?
Everything Shopee.
Shopee yan? Pati yung pants?
Yes.
Shoes?
Coast.
Wow. And mukhang may second outfit ka pa.
Dark mode. Ikaw. Anong outfit mo?
Ito, hot stuff. I changed it kasi kanina naka-hoodie ako. Pero ang init pa lang ngayon kaya nag-change ako ng comfy na white shirt. Tapos Uniqlo ankle pants, and syempre Travis Scott Jordan 1. Time to unds. Hi guys, so we are currently here at sa may parking ng Jordan Manila. And babe, hi. Yan, we're gonna meet up with GELA and PAOLO. And then we're gonna pick up our pairs, gonna have lunch, then siguro punta kami Uptown. Hello!
Wala.
How are you guys? Ay, mga vloggers si Jeff.
Yeah. Ay, scoop yan ah. Promote mo yung code. May code ka, di ba?
Oo. DB5.
Hi, Pao. Subscribe to his channel. Anong channel?
PAOLO SALGADO.
Yun. Bago-bagong channel pa lang. Puro sneakers and streetwear.
Sneakers and streetwear.
Yep. Hi guys, so it's currently February, I think 22, yeah, it's Feb 22, and this is the next day after nung pag-pick up natin sa Jordan Manila, and I just wanna show you guys a quick unboxing of the Jordan 185s. But before that, big thanks to Urban Isle for sending me this shirt. Ganda na shirt, super comfy, and this beanie, ayan, I'm gonna wear it on this vlog. And then let's unbox the Jordan 185s I got this from Jordan Manila, and this is through a raffle. Nanalo tayo sa raffle. And yan, let's start with the box. So the box is not your typical Jordan 1 box because this box is red. Usually yung box ng Jordan 1 is reverse. It's black plus red yung logo, but on this one it's reversed. It's red, it's black logo. Then on the right side we can see the details. So as you can see, I got a size 10.5, and the official colorway of this is white/neutral gray. And guys, let's open the box, or let's pop up the box. Here's what it looks like inside. Yan. So instead of a tissue paper, I think this is plastic. No, it's a tissue paper pala, nabunit. And it's a transparent or translucent tissue paper with monogram of number 23, the Jumpman logo, and the Air Jordan Wing logo. Ayan, let's open it. Yan, super protected talaga ng pairs. And there, medyo inopen ko ng isa, but here's what it looks like pag super fresh pa out of the box, kasi naka-plastic talaga siya. And unlike yung Jordan 185 that I've unboxed before na varsity red, that one kasi comes in a dust bag, as in two separate, they have their own dust bag. Each shoes has their own dust bag and it is a numbered pair. And comparing it to this one, hindi to numbered pair and wala siyang dust bag, because I think that one ginawa nilang numbered pair and naka-dust bag dahil for the All-Star weekend. I don't know, pero based on my research, yun yung reason kung ba't naka-dust bag yun. And so let's open the shoes, or tingnan natin yung shoes. Yan, sobrang ganda, sobrang linis. As in, and super white talaga. I think nagkaka-blue tint lang because of the tint ng window dito sa amin, but in person it's super clean white talaga. And as you can see, this is the Jordan 185. First thought on this pair, gumawa kami sa OFRESH TV. Follow our channel, OFRESH TV. We do score or pass, sneaker reviews. We're gonna interview personalities, sneakerheads, and more on the channel. So subscribe to OFRESH TV. Nag-score or pass kami dun ng last year. I think ginawa namin yun sa parang most anticipated sneaker, and I think this is one of my, this is included sa top 5 ko, kasi first thought ko talaga about this pair, hindi ko siya gusto. Sakto lang, parang AF1 na high cut. Pero, nung nalaman kong Jordan 185 siya, and lalo na nung na-open ko yung Jordan 185 na varsity red, quality, comparing it to the recent Jordans, super iba talaga. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero pag nahawakan nyo ito in person, sobrang ganda talaga niya. And let's start with the shoes. As you can see, yun nga, the official colorway of this is white and neutral gray. That's why it's called neutral gray. And we have this, the signature perforated leather over here. And on the toe box, extending to the eyelets, side panel of the shoes, back part of the shoe, ankle part of the shoe, it is all made with smooth leather. So, the way I'm gonna describe this is yung leather niya, comparing it to the tumbled leather, which is, I think, yun yung parang, when we say tumbled leather, kasi parang super comfy, like the shuttered backboards, the Rookie of the Year. Pero this one, the leather on this is kind of stiff, it's kind of hard, it's kind of thick. I think, ginawa talaga siya na halos similar nung OG na 1985. So medyo, this is an unanticipated sneaker talaga, kasi after 36 years nilabas ulit. And I don't know, I think ito na yung pinaka-versatile na sneaker out of all, because it's white with just a gray swoosh and accents. So yun, upper material of the shoe is made out of quality white leather. And heading on over to the lateral side, has a suede swoosh. I don't know if you can see it, but yan, it is suede. This part is suede as well. Then heading on over to the ankle collar. This part, I mean, I don't know, but ito yung pinaka-favorite part ko because super ganda ng pagka-suede niya. And ayun, back part pa lang, comparing it to the recent releases ng Jordan, this is kind of slimmer. I mean, comparing it dun sa iba na parang hourglass shape, this is medyo straight siya because it's slimmer. Heading over to the lace part, we have a normal or a typical flat lace sa mga Jordans, and it comes, I think, with an extra pair of laces. We just open this one. And dito pala. So, we have an extra gray lace over here. But ako, I prefer the white lace because it's more cleaner. But, siguro, when I wear this, I'm gonna try the gray laces. Tingnan natin kung ano itsura. And, abangan nyo lang siguro sa Instagram ko at @IamJeffOng. I usually post mga OOTDs there, outfit photos, and more about sneakers. So, follow me at @IamJeffOng. Now, heading on over to the tongue part. The tongue part material is made out of nylon and it has a blue tint. Ito hindi na to dahil sa window namin pero may pagka-blue talaga. And as you can see, and the tag looks like this. It's super clean lang. It's white with gray Nike swoosh. And the lining or the inner part of the shoe is made out of this parang perforated jersey type, which adds to that parang retro look, the 1985 look, ganyan. And we have this, the size over here. So it's 10.5 and I don't know what the code is. Then we have this. Ito sobrang, I mean, this part sobrang simple lang niya pero it adds to that parang, yun nga, 1985 pair, parang lumang pair siya talaga. And ayan, may mga details na siya na ganyan. And we have the Michael Jordan logo right here. Then heading on over to the insole. Actually on this one you can remove the insole and it looks like this. Super clean, super white, and each pair has this. Yung parang code. And when you remove it, you can see a gray Nike SB right there. Tapos, I'm not sure, hindi lang natin makita, pero the insole of this has that air sole encapsulated in polyurethane and solid rubber outsole. Speaking of the rubber outsole, here's what it looks like. Yan. This is what the midsole pala, sorry. This is what the midsole looks like. I mean, comparing it to the recent releases of the Jordan 1, this has a curve over here, unlike yung sa mga recent na super straight lang. And the outsole looks like this. It's in neutral gray, and the pattern is your typical or normal Jordan 1. I think di naman nakapalitan yan ng Jordan 1. And the insole looks like this. Para siyang board. Brown. It's parang brown board. I think ganyan yung mga 1985 pairs. Kaya ginawa nilang ganyan. And that's it. I'm not gonna lace this up because we're gonna go somewhere pa and do some errands. But I'm gonna upload siguro on how I style vlog. Or I don't know if kailangan niya pa, pero ito na, I think yung pinaka most versatile shoes talaga. I mean, you can pair it with shorts, any color of socks, any color of jeans. I mean, any color of outfit, bagay ito talaga kasi it's white with gray accents na talaga. So, final thought on this pair. Material-wise, quality-wise, the silhouette is 10 out of 10. But the colorway for me is too simple. I mean, that's my personal opinion or preference lang. But for me, it's too simple. Pag naka-pants ka and you covered this top, mukha ka lang naka Air Force 1 na slimmer for me. But ayun, gusto ko pa rin siya, kaya I will give it a 9 out of 10 or 8.8 out of 10. Medyo close na sa 9 because yun nga, for me it's super simple, but quality wise 100%. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have content suggestions or topics, just comment it on the comment section below. Or if you have questions sa sizing, the sizing of this is, I recommend go half size up kasi this is super slim. Ayan, no? Base pa lang sa likod, super slim. And if you have a wide foot, Go half size up na talaga. And yun nga, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!